Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to do question number 3 of your textbook. Here is the question. How will you show following balances in the balance sheet of a company as per Schedule 3 of Company Act 2013? So here what we have to do, here some balances are given in the question and we have to show these balances in the balance sheet of a company as per Schedule 3 of Company Act 2013. We know that balance sheet has two main headings. First one is equity and liabilities and second is assets. Equity and liabilities and assets and their subheads are to be shown. So you know that every head has subheads. Subheads also comprise of various items. So let us see how these balances will be shown. Here we have to prepare 5 columns as you can see here. First is serial number, then particulars, then balance sheet head, then main head, then subhead. Now let us see first item that is given in the question, that is creditors. We know that creditor is a liability, so in balance sheet we will show it in equity and liability side, and its it will come under main heading current liabilities, and under that it will come under subhead, that is trade payables. Now let us see second item, that is security premium. In the balance sheet it will appear on the equity and liability side under the main head shareholders funds and subhead reserve and surplus. Then next is bond. Here in the balance sheet it will be shown on equity and liability side under the main heading non-current liabilities, and further it will be subclassified as long-term borrowings. Then we have goodwill. We know that it is an asset, so in the balance sheet it will be shown on asset side under the main heading non-current assets, and further it will be subclassified as intangible asset. Then we have bank overdraft. It will be shown on equity and liability sides under the main head current liabilities and under subhead short-term borrowings. Then bills receivable, we know that it is an asset, current asset. So here in balance sheet side, we will show it on asset side under the main head current assets, and again it will be subclassified as trade receivables. Then we have equity share capital. It will be shown in the balance sheet on equity and liability side. Its main head would be shareholders fund, and under the subheading share capital. Then we have copyrights. We know that it is an intangible asset, so here in balance sheet it will be shown on asset side under the main heading non-current assets and under subheading intangible asset. Then we have debenture discount. Here it will be shown on asset side under the main heading current assets and under the subheading other current assets. Then we have call in advance. We know that the amount received in advance for which call has not been made is calls in advance. So in balance sheet it will be shown on equity and liability side under the main head current liabilities, and it is shown as other current liabilities, that is its subheading. Then next is cash. We know that it is current asset. So here in balance sheet we will show it on asset side under the main head current asset, and its subheading is cash and cash equivalent. Then we have provident fund. We will show it in balance sheet on equity liability side under the main heading non-current liabilities under the subheading long-term liabilities. Then we have debentures. Debenture is a long-term borrowing. So here it will be shown in balance sheet on equity liability side under the main head, non-current liabilities under the subhead, long-term borrowings. Then we have trademark. It will be shown in balance sheet on asset side under the main head, non-current assets, under the subhead, fixed assets, that is intangible. Then next is loose tools. In balance sheet, it will be shown on asset side. Its main heading is current assets and it will be shown under subheading inventory. So in this way, you have to show all the items. So remaining items you have to write and you have to complete it in your notebook. That is your homework. So that's all for today. Thank you.